Hello, I'm Anthony Hughes. You may remember me from such videos as productivity improvements in Dorico 2.2. I tend to make it my business to tell you all about the incredible new features as we add them to Dorico. But wait, what I've never shown you is any of the features that haven't been added to Dorico. Well, in the spirit of Christmas, I thought it might be fun to have a look at what could have been had things worked out a little differently. For instance, did you know that in the early days of developing our revolutionary new condensing feature released earlier this year in version 3, it wasn't going to condense the music. Oh no, it was going to evaporate it. Simply, and without even having to make a selection in the music, you could open the Edit menu and choose Evaporating. The music disappears before your very eyes. For instance, did you know that originally, the carrot was in fact a carrot? Let me show you the revolutionary new Insta-Harmony, registered trademark not pending. Make a selection and use the handy key command Control-Alt-Shift, Command, Control again, Function E, and Dorico will painlessly input the same harmony note across the entire line, or as we call it, add an alto part. We know how much people enjoy receiving unwanted feedback from their computer while they work to tight deadlines. So, similar to automatic spelling and grammar checks that you find in your favorite applications, Dorico will now check your harmonic progressions as you input, using the rules found in cutting-edge exercise books from the 1970s. For instance, should you absent-mindedly input consecutive fifths or octaves, Dorico issues a subtle warning to the user, giving you that helpful little nudge you'll certainly appreciate. There isn't this special education feature useful when writing for school bands. For instance, in the instrumental part, input the notes on this recorder staff you would like the pupils to play, and then in the full score, Dorico will show you what is actually heard during live performance. We've not added some great features to help orchestral instrumentalists, such as brass players, who are sometimes prone to receiving parts that contain a fair few rests. Using advanced algorithms that examine the length of the rest matched with the current tempo, Dorico is able to determine whether you have enough time to take a sip of your pint, do the crossword, or even nip out to the lavatory. I have a line of music here, and I'm going to add a second voice with the same melodic contour a few bars later. And our resident expert, Dr. Crotchet, pops up to offer some assistance. Dr. Crotchet is there to help you when you need him the most. Let's see him in action. In this example, I've started a new project for SSA voices, handbells, and piano. And the combination of that instrumentation, together with the current time of year, leads Dorico to ask me intuitively if I'm writing a Christmas carol. So I can choose from a few themes here and set a musical style here, and hit the button and see my carol spring to life in front of my eyes. Our first version of the Explode feature was a lot more literal. Not content with duplex printing, it's now possible to print on all 3 sides of the paper. Some really nice UI enhancements bring Dorico crashing into the 1990s with all new classic themes, including Bordeaux, fluorescent, pastel, and of course, hot dog stand. Finally, now you can make your own Dorico tutorials with Anthony Hughes using the all-new Dorico Tutorials with Anthony Hughes sound library that doesn't ship with Dorico. Using advanced AI technology, the library intelligently examines your music, using the lyrics in combination with the pitches to denote inflection, and play back using your very own Dorico Tutorials with Anthony Hughes samples. What's more, you can even load different patches to change the voice.
For instance, we can choose the Tom program to sound like my son, Tom. It's quite convincing, isn't it? Or we can
Choose Hannah. Oh yes, very good.
I could get away with all kinds of mischief with this one. Or we can switch to the
teenager setting, Alice, which is, oh my goodness, this is literally so embarrassing. And new for 2019, we can even set it to
Mrs. Hughes, for those times that you just want to get the job done quickly and properly. No fuss, and without the risk of man flu.
All that's left to say is that everyone here in the Dorico team would like to wish each and every one of our customers the very happiest of Christmases and a peaceful and prosperous new year. We can't wait to share with you the real features that we've been working on. And with development continuing right now, fueled by mince pies and festive cheer, you can be sure that 2020 is going to be another bumper year for Dorico. I'm Anthony Hughes, and I'm wearing a Christmas jumper.